with a smile so wide, picking up friends for a magical ride. C is for concrete mixer, round and round, singing a spin with a rumbling sound. D is for dump truck, loud and bold, carrying treasures of gravel and gold new.
E is for excavator, strong and deep, digging where sleepy earthworms sleep. F is for fire truck, flashing red light, zooming to help in the heart of the night.
G is for garbage truck, up with the dawn, clatter and clang as it rolls on the lawn.
H is for helicopter, spin and swirl, dancing with clouds in a windy twirl.
I is for ice cream truck, sweet delight, sprinkling joy from morning to night.
J is for jet, sleek silver streak, racing the wind to a mountain peak.
K is for kayak, quiet and low, gliding through waters where lilies grow. L is for locomotive, strong and proud, chugging through valleys, whistling loud.
M is for motorcycle, wild and free, zooming like lightning by the sea.
N is for navy boat, brave and true, cutting the waves with a tireless crew. O is for road roller, heavy and slow, flattening bumps as it rumbles below.
S is for ship with sails so wide, chasing the stars on the midnight tide.
T is for taxi, tidy and bright, waving through cities by day and night. U is for unsatin, daring and neat, balancing tricks on a single seat. V is for van, with stories to tell, wheels full of wonders and cargo that swell. W is for water tanker, sloshing with cheer, bringing cool splashes when summer is near. X is for X-ray truck, careful and wise, peeking at secrets with digital eyes. Y is for yacht, elegant gleam, floating through moonlight, chasing a dream. Z is for Zeppelin, floating with grace, drifting through clouds in a peaceful play. U is for locomotive, strong and proud, strangling joy from morning to night. Del is for jet, sleek silver streak, racing the wind to a mountain peak.
K is for kayak, quiet and low, gliding through waters where lilies grow.
L is for locomotive, strong and proud, chugging through valleys, whistling loud. L is for locomotive.
L is for motor, sweet. L is for navy boat, light and free, zooming like lightning by the sea.